Stop. Before you scroll, before you skip, listen to this very carefully. What if I told you the reason you're not consistent has nothing to do with laziness, motivation, or discipline? What if I told you you've been fighting the wrong enemy your entire life? And what if I told you one invisible psychological barrier is silently controlling your habits, your goals, your confidence, and even your future? Here's the scary part. Most people never break this barrier. They live their entire life stopping, restarting, and quitting again. But today, I promise you something powerful. If you stay till the end of this video, you will never look at consistency the same way again. And more importantly, you'll finally understand why you keep failing and how to end that cycle permanently. This is very important, so don't skip, because one sentence later in this video might explain your entire life. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever felt excited on day 1, strong on day 3, motivated on day 7, and completely gone by day 14? Why does that happen? Hold that thought. We'll come back to it. So before moving forward, ask yourself this honestly. Do you truly want to become great in your own eyes? Or are you just chasing society's approval, reputation, and respect? If you really want to move far ahead in life, to rise above the crowd, to be among the top 1%, then watch this video till end. Otherwise, others will move ahead in life, and you'll be left behind just watching them succeed. The choice is yours. Act now. 1. The big lie about consistency. Here's the lie you were taught. If you were disciplined enough, you'd be consistent. That sounds logical, it sounds motivational, but it's psychologically false. Let me ask you something painful. Why are you disciplined in brushing your teeth, but not in going to the gym? Why are you consistent in checking your phone, but inconsistent in chasing your dreams? Think about it. If discipline was the real problem, you'd fail at everything, not just important things. So what's really happening? Don't answer yet, because this is important. 2. The real enemy. No one talks about. The real enemy of consistency is identity conflict. Yes, not motivation, not willpower. Identity. Let me explain. Your brain has one main job: protect the identity you believe you are. So when you say, I want to wake up early, I want to work out daily, I want to build a skill, I want to change my life, your brain asks only one question: is this who we are? If the answer is no, your brain will sabotage you, silently, cleverly, automatically. That's why you feel resistance. That's why procrastination appears. That's why excuses sound logical. And here's the scary truth. Your brain doesn't care about your goals. It only cares about familiarity. Even pain feels safe if it's familiar. Let that sink in. This next part might hurt, but it will free you. Stay with me. 3. Why you always quit at the same point. Have you noticed something strange? You don't quit randomly. You quit at the same stage every time. After the excitement fades, after the compliments stop, after results don't come fast. Why? Because consistency is boring, and your brain hates boredom. But wait, if boredom is the reason, then how do people stay consistent for years? Here's the answer most people don't want to hear. They don't rely on motivation. They rely on psychological alignment. They don't force consistency, they remove resistance. And resistance comes from one thing: internal conflict. 4. The internal war you don't see. Inside you, there are 2 versions. 1. The person you want to become. 2. The person you believe you are. Consistency fails when these 2 fight. For example, you want to be fit, but you see yourself as someone who can't stay consistent. You want success, but deep down, you identify as someone who always gives up. So every time you try to change, your brain whispers, "This is not you." And the moment stress hits, you return to the old identity. This is why affirmations don't work for most people. Because saying, "I am consistent," while believing "I never stick to anything," creates resistance. Your brain rejects lies. What I'm about to share next is what high performers understand subconsciously. Don't miss this. 5. The real way consistency is built. Consistency is not built by doing more. It is built by doing less, but becoming someone new. Let me explain with a powerful shift. Instead of saying, I need to work out daily, say, I am someone who doesn't miss workouts. Instead of, I'll try to be disciplined, say, I don't negotiate with my standards. This is not motivation. This is identity engineering. Your habits follow your identity, not the other way around. 6. Why starting small actually works. People say, start small, but they never tell you why it works. It's not about effort, it's about proof. Every small action sends a message to your brain. This is who we are. Miss one day, and the message weakens. Repeat for 7 days, and the identity begins to form. That's why consistency is fragile in the beginning, but powerful later. Early phase equals identity building. Later phase equals autopilot. Most people quit before autopilot kicks in. Now, the further insight will explain why you feel tired even before starting. 7. The decision fatigue trap. Every time you ask, should I do it today? You lose. Consistency requires removing choice. High performers don't decide daily. They decide once. Gym is not optional. Work is not negotiable. Growth is not emotional. If consistency depends on mood, it will disappear when life gets hard. And life always gets hard. 8. The pain that keeps you stuck. Let me ask you something real. What hurts more, the pain of discipline or the pain of regret? Because avoiding discomfort today creates lifelong disappointment. Your future self is watching you. Every skipped day sends a message. You can't trust yourself. And self-trust, once broken, is the hardest thing to rebuild. This is the moment where most people wake up. Stay focused. 9. How to permanently break the barrier. Here's the final truth. Consistency is not about doing it perfectly. It's about never quitting the identity. Miss a day, continue. Fail once, continue. Fall off, return immediately. The real failure is not missing days. The real failure is stopping completely. People who succeed aren't special. They just don't reset to zero. If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your identity. Change who you believe you are, and consistency becomes natural. You don't chase discipline. Discipline follows you. 1 year from now, you'll either thank yourself or regret ignoring this moment. The choice is quiet. The impact is loud. Don't just watch this video. Become the person who finishes what they start. This was important, and if it helped you, stay consistent with yourself, because now you know the truth.